Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Fikri Ramadhani, NIM 1961053. Today on this occasion I will provide information about tips how to easily treat or natural. The human body basically has a diverse system to resist interference from its natural response carried out by the body or molecules from internal factors such as dirt or smoke. So that out of our respiratory tract there are several types of cough, but commonly experienced include dry cough and cough. Primarily indication of the emergence of dry cough is usually in the throat. That then the brain will press trigger according upper respiratory tract as an unfamiliar condition, so that you are ordered the body to expel. Control and flu can spur the emergency cough, where in the case actually how expel like this will help you expel like from the lungs. Controlling tip of the to easily raise the cold to the first way can happen with eliminate with soy sauce or honey when you have cleaned the after drinking lemon and soy sauce the heart. Favors down throat generation in the oral distraction. We overhaul until now of frequent improves and honey as a convention to line. Because basically the soy sauce mixture and online does not in fact contribute to the only of this meaning the test of the leg. After all the ingredients are ready, the mix the lime juice and honey as needed. The still until apparatus good. Basically, drink regularly 2 a day as much as or tablespoon because that we can engage and control. Well, that was tip how to easily drink from naturally. Hopefully it was fun. Thanks for watching and see you next time.